Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, October 11th, and I took the ferry across the Harson's Island, and you can see the beautiful sunrise coming up. I'm going to try to get on some of these smallmouth today. I think they're going to be in shallow, so that's what I'm hoping for. That's what I'm hoping for. If not, I can always hit the cuts around here and go for some largies too. And I brought my panfish stuff, so worst comes to worst, I'll pull out the old bluegill rod. Guys, thanks for tuning in, and hope you enjoy the video. We're gonna have some fun. Thanks. All right, guys, just launching. As you can see, it's still dark. Sun's coming up. Beautiful sunrise up there. I'm gonna start here with, obviously, and of course, Chapo. All right, see if we can bring something up right now. Oh, it's been a long time since I've casted. Oh, looks like it's going to be a beautiful morning, man. All right, we're just going to take this right to the bay. Hopefully get on some. You can tell the water's low. Probably should put my electronics on. Water's pretty low. We haven't got nothing for rain here in Michigan. See if we can wake something up. My fishing app says it's a terrible day to go fishing, but I don't believe in that. It's 1 week before the duck opener, and I always like to get out here 1 week before the duck opener. I don't like to be out here with the duck hunters. Not that I don't feel safe, but I just like to stay out of their way. You know, they don't get much time to, I could fish anytime. I think they just get a month or something, so maybe a little more, I don't even really know. I got buddies who are duck hunters. And I know it's passion, it's big passion. Gets real busy here on the island with that. Water temps are just under 60. Man, it's so nice out here. It wasn't supposed to be this windy. All of a sudden the wind's starting to kick up, but that's okay. Alright guys, we're gonna shut her down. Gonna move out into the bay. I'll fish on my way out there. If something comes up, I'll put the camera on. Stay tuned, fellas. Thanks. St. Clair Flats, my absolute favorite. Rolling into Muscatine Bay here. Look at that beautiful sunrise. I'm gonna get past this grass mat right here. Start throwing the Chapo, see what happens, and then we're gonna probably do some switching around. See what we can do to get them going. Water's awfully low. I'm in like 1 foot of water right now. I love it out here. All right, guys, stay tuned. Thank you so much for tuning in. So I'm out here just searching for them, guys. Right now I got a chatterbait on. I sonar, so this is my search bait today, at least right now. I'm probably going to switch to a spinner bait. Maybe a DT6 or something. We got to find them. Once we find them, I'll start playing around, but that's what we're doing. Just drifting here. I'm in like 3.5 feet of water. Keep at it till we find them. I'm looking for. There we go. Largemouth, but we'll take her. Woo! Yeah. Nice largie. Pinned good, man. Dragging a chatterbait. Right in these reeds here. Come on. Get out of there. Right. Let me anchor up. This is a nice fish here, man. Oh yeah. We're over 18. That'll help me out. You stay. All right. Yeah, it's gonna be 18. All right. See you, baby. Thank you. There we go. Oh, here he comes back for it. User error. Relax, Joe. Damn. That was a little bad, but still, man. He came back for it. That's pretty cool. I screwed that one up for sure. There we go. They're on now. I think it's a, oh, this ain't bad. This ain't a bad one. This ain't a bad one. Oh, well, yeah, not too bad. Little release. He gone. This one don't seem too bad. Switched it to a toad. What is this? Oh, tight. Oh. He gone. Damn, I don't have many toads left. That black. Black's usually my favorite one to use anyways. See if we can get back at it. that might be another pike. Oh, I hope not. I don't even know if it's on there. That was an explosion, man. Oh, I don't even think it's on there. I think that was another pike. Ooh, fun stuff. I see myself always pulling this toad out. I don't know. Seems like it's the only thing that works right now, or lately for me anyways. But I am fishing in all this junk and nothing else will work. I thought these cans would be gone by now, but they're not. So, toad it is. I'm getting bites, catching a few fish anyways. Nothing crazy. But I think that last one was a pike. Really do. Just one camera now, guys. I am so sick of these GoPros. I have so many problems with this GoPro hooking up to my remote control. I don't get it, man. I don't know. I know my cameras are old, but they were working. They work. They don't work. You know, it's like whenever they want to, you know. Got him. Oh. Oh, man. He's over there. Yeah, I think I got him that time. Yeah. He's not gonna measure for me. That's fun, man. These little guys. He was determined, man. He came back like 3 times. Another one. This one looks like it might be a little better. Yeah, this one's a little better. This one's a little better. Whoa, okay. This one might measure. Or does he just think he's big? Yeah. Yeah. He just thinks he's big. Wow. Smashing this toad, man. It's fun stuff. Hey, little dude. Easy. Yes. All right. Stuff for grandkids. There he goes. Well, I hate signs. Probably something the DNR got going on that makes no sense. Wildlife refuge, no entry. Okay. Let's turn around, go back at where the bass are. Although I did want to keep going forward, but that's okay. Okay. Oh, he's off. Oh, that one felt pretty good too, man. That one felt pretty good. You know, they all feel pretty good. Even pull them up and they're 12 inches, but that's okay. That one, I don't know. That one might have been a little bigger. Oh, man. Jeez. Ah, darn it. Ah. Damn. Retie. One of those Z-Man goats. Because I ran out of frogs or toads, so I put this on, and it seems to be okay, but it does have a different... It does have like the paddle is different, you know. It has a different flat to it. I guess that's the word I'm looking for, but I don't know. We'll see. It's all I got right now, and nothing else is going to work, so give it a shot. Yeah, it's not as aggressive as the Zoom horny toad. Clouds, man. From a beautiful sunrise to this. This is my favorite. It doesn't look like it's going to be pouring down. I don't know. It really doesn't, but this is beautiful. This is how I love to fish. I love this weather right here. Windy, kind of sort of windy, and I'm tucked in this cut, so I'm really not affected by it. Boat control and everything, but I love the clouds. Let's get at it. There we go. All right, that's a smaller one. That's okay. All right. Hard to beat the Z-Man stuff, I tell you. There we go. This one's a little, oh, this one's nice. No, stay in there, stay in there, stay in there. Alright, yeah, that one's going to be bigger. That one's going to measure, man. That one's going to measure. It's got to be bigger than 15 and a half. I know it is. Yeah. I'm trying to get to at least top 5 of the Catch 22 challenge in KBF. There's a lot of dudes in it, but a lot of hammers. Yeah. 16 and a quarter? Yeah, 16 and a quarter. Selfie for the rank, kids. See you, buddy. Oh, yeah, that's a nice one. Oh, get in here. Get in here. All right. Well, we're definitely having fun today, huh? Ladies and gentlemen, we are having fun today. Yes, we are, folks. Yes, we are. Oh, yeah. All right. Woo! I don't. No. 13-incher. Tell you, man, I could just sit here all day, right here in this spot. I just might. I might spend the night. No, okay, I better not do that. Liking this goat. I'm not sure this is the right hook for it, though. I almost think it needs a smaller hook, but this is working, and it's really all I got right now that I think would work anyways. Let's move up. Yeah, boy, we got a jumper. This is the first one that actually jumped today. Get out of there. Alright. Alright, man. Hopefully we got that on video. Cool little acrobats. Thanks, buddy. These little ones are feisty, man. So I switched to the Chapo because there's no floating weeds here. So I wanted to give this a shot, and I just got a nice bite right now. See if we can get another one. We gotta change the hooks in this Chapo. I don't think I have. I may have. I can't remember though. Never been over here, this part of the island. Oh. That's a pike. That's a pike. Okay. Don't jump. Pike and treble hooks together. Don't mix. Pick for the grandkids. What the hell? What was that? That had to be another pike, man. Damn, scared the hell out of me.